Fight.
Guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a collaboration with Wiggins hair, and I have worked with this company before, so they did go ahead and send over their loose deep wave 13x6 frontal wig. It is 180 density and it is 20 inches, but it does fall a little longer on me. I did bleach the knots and I did not have to do any plucking, thank God. But the cap construction is 3 combs and adjustable straps. So I'm taking some powder just to kind of tint the lace so it blends flawlessly with my skin tone. And this time that I'm installing this wig, I will not be using a wig cap at all. So I know you guys don't want to hear my voice most of the video, so I will just hop back on in a second. You guys, this is a really beautiful wig. It is true to density and I did not have to do a lot of customization. I really didn't have to do much but the knots, but I was so in love with this wig. It looked so good. The lace was very nice. It wasn't too thick and it wasn't too, harshly colored or anything. So once I end up cutting it off, you guys will see how it blends. For those who are new to wigs and frontals, it is key to cut as close to the hairline. I do not recommend cutting into the hairline because you will ruin your wig, but cutting majority of the lace off is what will get you that, growing from scalp look, sis. And that's the only way we want our wigs to look, because we don't want no extra lace just laying there. So when people get in your face, they be like, girl, cut some of that lace off, or they just talk to their bitches like, girl, she don't know how to do wigs in real life. It's on YouTube. So make sure you are, trimming and cutting as close as possible. Do not spare any lace.
Fight.
So we are going in with our Got to Be freeze spray, and this is your best bet if you don't want to wear the wig for longer than 24 hours. You easily can remove this with water. It is not waterproof, so if you are looking for that type of hold, I would recommend Ghost Bond. But doing this method of no stocking cap at all, I wouldn't recommend using Ghost Bond, just because it will get on your hairline, and getting Ghost Bond out is very annoying. So I would just stick to Got to Be, and it's only like $5 at Walmart. So as you guys can see, I'm just going and blow drying, and yeah, I'm just making sure the lace is stuck.
You win. Fight.
for baby hairs, I'm just going in and I am, you know, figuring out how many I want, and then I'm using Eco Styler. This is just like the clear one with, I believe, the orange words on it. Any one of theirs would work, so I don't think it matters. I think when it comes to Eco Gel, you gotta choose a specific kind if you're using it on your natural hair.
Knockout. You win. Fight.
So now on to styling the hair and giving this hair some definition. So you guys, I used just water and some mousse, and the mousse that I usually use is from Dollar Tree. I've never bought any like expensive kind. I think I did one time, but that was like 2017. I'm a cheap person, so, and it doesn't take much really. Honestly, the dollar store brand is just as good in my opinion, but you know, you have your critics and people who want what they want. So I am just applying mousse and water to this head, and I'm gonna stop talking now.
Knockout. You win. Fight.
So doing this last step kind of just lays the hair down for me. It wasn't really like laid until I did put this in. And this isn't really harsh, but it is very oily. So if you guys are interested in it, you probably can find it at your local beauty supply. But sometimes I do go overboard with it and it's too oily, even on straight hair. So just be very mindful. But that is it, you guys. I am done with the customization, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links will be in the description, and I will see you all in the next video.